Hi friends, welcome to today's video. My name is Josh and today we've got a quick and easy piano tutorial for you to learn. This is going to be Selfish, the new song by Justin Timberlake. So first, to just play a little bit of it for you, that sounds like this. Da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 da. And there it is. So as you saw there, nice and simple, really just 5 chords we gotta learn. So first, let's take a look at the key we're gonna be in, which is gonna be F sharp major. So as you saw there, it's gonna be all the black keys, only playing the B and the F, all right? So start here with our first chord. We're gonna be starting with a B major chord. So we'll play B, F sharp in the left hand, and then D sharp, F sharp, and B. Okay, that's our B chord. Next up, everything is just gonna move up a step here. So now we're gonna go to our C sharp major chord. So C sharp, G sharp, F, G sharp, and C sharp. All right. Next, we're gonna go to our 1 chord here, which is gonna be our F sharp major chord, of course. F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. Now we're gonna start a little bit of a walk down here, go to an F, we'll drop these to F, so an F, C sharp, F, go to a G sharp, and C sharp. And then finally, a D sharp minor chord, okay? D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. Okay, those are the 5 chords that are going to be repeated through the whole song. So once again, we have B, C sharp, F sharp. This is a C sharp over F. I'm not sure if I said that before. C sharp over F, and then a D sharp minor, okay? So now if we want to put that in time, that'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Dun da 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 da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Just like that. So that's how to play this song, Selfish by Justin Timberlake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy these nice little quick, easy piano tutorials, let me know down in the comments. Be sure to leave a like and hit subscribe so you can see all of my videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.